Welcome back to Market Making Mondays, and this is episode 20. Make sure you guys please like, share, comment, and subscribe down below. You already know how it goes. Run my intro. Hey friends and new traders, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Matt and I teach day traders just like you how to become profitable by teaching different tips and strategies. With that being said, let's get into this one. I'm going to keep this real brief. So if you're looking at the weekly charts overall for like the majority of the market, you can see that we just been in a lot of consolidation. Let's see, for like the major pairs, they've just been in consolidation, as you can see this week. No real major breakouts. Yeah, for the majority of the week. It's the beginning of the week right here, consolidation. Started off right here, and it's still like there's nothing. Consolidation pretty much. Just small moves this week. New Zealand dollar, pretty much the same thing. So what I'm pretty much looking for is this move to the upside with New Zealand dollar. I'm still looking for this move to the upside. We got this wedge pattern that's happening currently, and I'm hoping this next week see a breakout. We got a key level at 6550. Break that down in the weekly. We can see where that's at. Yeah, so you can see that we have a lot of support and resistance right here. So we'll see what happens once we get to that level, if it's gonna bounce and reject. But I have a good feeling that price is gonna continue going up. But it still needs to fill in this gap right here, this weekly gap, and then we do have a trend line, a weekly trend line at that. So the higher the time frame, the stronger the trend line. So once we get up here, I will be looking for a setup to sell, obviously on a lower time frame. So that's New Zealand dollar. That's what I'm looking for. I'm waiting for this breakout in this wedge pattern, most likely to the upside. You could possibly see a decline early next week, possibly, and then to retest this level one more time and then possibly break out higher. Or we could just go straight up. Next week is non-farm payroll, and unemployment rates come out next week as well. So that should give the market a lot of momentum going into next week. And it is going to be February. So January is over, and the market's just trying to get back to figure out what it wants to do after the holidays. So that's pretty much why we've been seeing a lot of consolidation. GA. No, I'm gonna get back to GA in a second. Same thing with gold. Just heavy consolidation. Heavy consolidation on gold as well. And the thing is, for me, I'm a swing trader, right? So I'm not gonna see setups all the time when the market is in consolidation. So you broke above the high, but then came back down into consolidation. So it is currently in consolidation. So as a swing trader, I'm looking for swings, like big moves. So something like this. So this low to high, something like that. That's what I'm looking for. Me personally, I'm not looking for intraday trades. So trades that just happen in the day, or scalps. I'm not that type of trader. I like to hold my trades for like maybe 3 days or maybe the entire week, depending on how it goes and how fast it moves. But majority of the time, my trades last for at least 2 to 3 days, or maybe even to the end of the week. So that is something to be aware of. Just knowing your trading style. If you're an intraday trader or scalp trader, you just got to know what the market is currently doing. Like if you're a scalp trader, you could easily, if you see the market is in consolidation, just wait for it to get to a low and then buy it, or get to a high and then sell it. Like you seen it come back down, you could have easily sell it because you know it's in consolidation. Um, Same thing back to New Zealand dollar. It's pretty much consolidation, but we do have this triangle wedge pattern going on right now. Um, so yeah, so currently right now the pair that I'm currently looking at to trade next week is GA, because GA has just been giving clear setups and clear indications. I took a small loss this week, but very tiny loss this week on GA. Not a big deal. Um, so yeah, so we got this trend line on the 4 hour. I'll break a structure right here as well. So we could expect price to continue going further down. We have this level right here. So what I'm looking for is a retracement, most likely to the 38.2. If it breaks right through the 38.2, then the next level I'll be looking at is possibly the 61.8. Possibly the 61.8 or the 78 retracement. But most likely, if it breaks this, I'm going to be trading from the 61, because there is a level of resistance right here. Support, turn resistance. So you can see we bounced off this level quite a few times in the past. Resistance right here, support, support. So you could possibly see a move to the upside. Filling this gap a little bit, because there is a gap right there as well. And then possibly you shoot down lower. So that's what I'm looking for next week on GA. Further price movement. We did hit this daily level right here, but most likely it will continue to push down next week. Take a look at the daily chart. Look at it daily, so you can see that we came back, retested some type of resistance right here. Let me take off this smaller Fibonacci. So on the daily, go high to low. As you can see, we still have not hit this negative 27 extension level. So there is a gap as well right here, so we could expect market to want to fill that gap. So I'm just hoping that the market just retraces. So we got the fib within the fib. So this is a daily level. We still haven't hit this 27 extension, and clearly we haven't hit this negative 61 extension level. So going back to the 4 hour, break it down even further. So this is still the target. And yeah, so like I was saying, I'm looking for this level. We also have, it might just hit the 38 because it just declined so fast. There wasn't really any retracement moves. It's just one straight move down to the downside. And we do have this moving average right here. So if this level holds, then I'm definitely going to be taking shorts right here. And if not, I'll be taking shorts at the 61.8. So that is the setup I'm looking for next week on GA. Another setup I'm potentially looking at right now is CAD JPY. This is just a pair I just started trading a few weeks ago. I noticed that it moves a lot. And this is an exotic pair because it doesn't have the dollar within it. And as you can see, we're in a falling wedge right now. So notice something about this falling wedge real quick. Every time it takes out a low, it shoots right back up. So it took out a low right here and it shot back up. Took out a low right here and shot back up. Took out this low right here, shot back up. So possibly right now it's just sitting right here at the top of this wedge. We could potentially see the breakout next week. We could probably even see a gap where the market jumps up in price over the weekend and could open above right here or something like that. Or we could even see the gap, an open gap down here. So something I'll be looking for is this price to break out possibly and do something like this where it breaks out, comes back, retests, and then shoots higher. Cause we do have levels right here that need to be filled. Could also take out these highs, or we can see price just continue to go down, and like I said, take out this low right here. And then once it takes out this low, I just place a buy stop. Buy stop is when the price is below a level, and then once it goes above the level, like hits the level while it's going up, you'll enter into the trade. So that's a buy stop. So I just place a buy stop right here. If it does come below this, and then expect price to go higher, and then yeah. So that's the setups, the two setups that I'm looking for next week. So I showed you guys falling wedge, triangle wedge. I showed you guys certain patterns right here where it takes out a low every time and keeps on shooting up. So yeah, I hope this video was very informative. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification button. Please share these videos with people that you think would be interested in learning how to trade, because I'm here to teach you guys how to trade. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, evening, night, or weekend, whenever you decide to watch this video. And I am out. Peace.